Welcome to this guided meditation from Selfcare Karen. Today we're going to focus on creating a great start to this new day. You are in the right place. Make sure that you are comfortable where you are seated or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe it out slowly. You are so very welcome where you are. You are in perfect time. You are in the perfect place. Breathe in. Breathe out. Listen to my voice. I will guide you. No harm will come to you here. Breathe in. Breathe out. If stray thoughts come to your mind, just come back to my voice. Come back to your breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let us start today in majesty. Let us start today with positivity and lightness in our hearts. Let us start today with positive expectation. Breathe in. Breathe out. You are where you need to be. You are bathed in light that will shine throughout today. You are right where you need to be. Breathe in. Breathe out. When we are in appreciation, our doubts, impatience, frustration melts away. When we feel grateful, we open our hearts to feel joy. Think of something now that you appreciate and feel grateful for. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel all the good things that you have right now in your life, however basic they may be. You are in comfort, in abundance, in joy. Breathe in. Breathe out. Whatever you think, you feel. Whatever you feel, you attract. Like attracts like. Breathe in. Breathe out. Use your mind to think new thoughts. Imagine something you want. Picture it in your mind's eye. Breathe in. Breathe out. Interact with your vision. Feel the colours. Feel the light. See yourself there. Breathe in. Breathe out. See what you want. Everything you want comes to you. How do you feel? Feel that way now. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel that way now. Your dreams can become your reality. Allow yourself to believe. allow yourself to surrender. Breathe in, breathe out. Know that what you want is coming. You can feel it. You can see it. Breathe in, breathe out. You have the power to create. You are free to think. You are free to feel. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel now how you will feel when you get what you want. Feel joy, feel empowerment, feel freedom, feel positive expectation, feel love, feel prosperity. Breathe in, breathe out. Today will be a powerful, awesome day. The power is now. Think and feel your reality. Breathe in, breathe out. Gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, you are in perfect time. Namaste.